In front of me is Huawei Nova 11i, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll down just a bit and click on Biometrics and Password. Following that, select Lock Screen Password, choose Change Unlock Method, and click on the best login method for you. 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern, or password. When you're ready, you can finally create it and repeat it in order to confirm it. When you are finished, click on Done at the bottom right corner. In order to add your fingerprint right away, select Add in the pop-up. If you don't want to do that, just click on Cancel. So now, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!